I'm Katie Brenniel and I'm the site supervisor here at the Irving Nature Park. My favorite part of the Irving Nature Park is the Chickadee Trail. This is an older growth forest with some amazing nooks and crannies, little tiny caves, really cool root formations, and beautiful scenery.
My name's McLellan and I'm an interpreter here at the Irving Nature Park. My favorite place at the Irving Nature Park is the Gorge Rocks. And the reason that I like them so much is it's a really great intertidal zone where you can get a really good view of a lot of great types of seaweeds. We have some tidal pools here, and you also get an extremely different view between the two tides when you come here. So it's a really great place to come and check out here at the Irving Nature Park.
Hi, my name is Teresa Johnston and I'm an interpretive guide here at the Irving Nature Park. One of my favorite places at the Irving Nature Park is the Children's Forest because my son loves to run through the mazes and to zip along on the zip line.
I'm Simon Barton and I am the lead Visitors Information Services. My favorite part about working at the Irving Nature Park is just being outside every day in this beautiful park. This park has so much to offer and there's a little bit for everyone.
My favorite thing about working here at the Irving Nature Park is the opportunity to teach young people about the environment and show them how to really appreciate all the flora and fauna here at the park.
My favorite part about working here is being able to create and deliver different tours on subjects that I'm interested in or on topics that I want to learn more about.
I love coming into work every day because I get to meet a lot of great people through the park, but I'd have to say my favorite part is the great people I work with.